you know, a good pancake gets called home by God way before its time because it's needed in heaven. And this pancake was obviously very much needed in heaven.
We're hoping that a burial at sea will be proper. And yeah, I think that maybe it'll find a good friend.
I just want to read a couple words from the book of St. Jemima. Add 1 cup milk. Fry in medium heated pan. Flip when needed. Amen.
Would you like to say a poem? Any poems? I'd like to say a poem. This is our red, violets are blue. You are a pancake, but you were dropped in the pan. Help me out. Are we talking?
Yeah, frisbee style. That's how Pancake would have wanted it.
I can almost see him smiling. Would you like to do it? Sure.